Today I'm going to teach you how to do a Dutch braid, also known as an inverted French braid. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, you'll section off a portion of hair at the top of your head about the width of your eyebrows. So put your pinky fingers at the outer edges of your eyebrows and draw them back across the top of your head, going a few inches past your hairline. Take that section and divide it into 3 equal pieces. So this will be the start of your braid. So once you have your 3 sections, you'll take the right section and cross it under the middle, under for Dutch braid. Then you're going to take your left section and cross it under the middle. So the next step, you're going to add hair to the right section and cross all of that hair under the middle section. Do the same thing on the left side. So add hair in to the left side and cross all of that under the middle section. And then you're going to continue this pattern down the back of your head. So just keep remembering to add hair to the section, cross it under the middle. So add in your hair, cross it under the middle section. It's kind of hard to see because I have thick hair. You can see I still have my 3 sections. So add in to your left side and cross it under the middle. So this definitely takes some practice. It takes getting used to kind of how you want to hold your hands. I kind of wrap my fingers around to keep the sections divided off. So really you're just going to learn what works for you. It's just a personal choice. So keep adding hair to each side section, cross it under the middle, and just keep repeating to yourself, add in, cross under the middle, add in hair, cross under the middle. Keep practicing, keep watching the video, and you'll get the hang of it. So once you start to get closer to the bottom of your head, you want to make sure that you've added in all of the hair. So I think you'll see I have a few pieces hanging out because I wasn't using a mirror. But you can check yourself in the mirror. Definitely do that to begin with. You will get where you won't even need the mirror. But you can see I've added in all of the hair here at the bottom. So once you've added in all of the hair and you're left with just the 3 sections, you'll continue that down the back of your head with the 3 sections. So you won't add in hair, just keep crossing under the middle on each side. And you can definitely do as I did. Your hands will get a little tired, so you'll want to send that hair over your shoulder and continue braiding it to the end and then tie it off with a hair tie. So once you've done this, you can definitely leave the look as is. You can see mine's a little loose because you'll see why in a second. I like my braids a little looser. You can leave it tight like this and just have a regular Dutch braid, or you can do what's called pancaking. So with pancaking, you're going to pull on those outer loops of the braid. So pull on each side. You can start this at the top like I did. You can start at the bottom. You're just going to work up and down until you get the look that you like. So I like to start by pulling on the loops and getting each one the way I like. You're going to have to go back and adjust each one until you get it just how you want it. You can even kind of pull at the sides of the braid to loosen it up to make it easier to pancake. Sometimes if you braid it too tight, it can be a little difficult. But once you get it the way you want it, you can also pin some of these loops in that are attached to your head if you feel like it's too loose. But those are the basics of doing a Dutch